Hello, I'm Anastasia. Would you like to create this beautiful hollow stripes colorful design? It's pretty easy. Stay with me and I will show you how. To create this design we will need a foil. It can be colorful or one color. Sometimes they come like this, sometimes in a tube. It doesn't really matter. Then we need to cut it into stripes. We can do it old style with the scissors, but make sure they're sharp. Or we can take a ruler and use a sharp blade or knife to cut the stripes. Then we will apply the background. I am using green glitter gel polish. It is better to choose the color that will match the tone and the color of the foil. Silver background for hollow silver, foil gold for golden, etc. So I applied one coat of the gel polish and now I will cure it for 1 minute or less depending on the product you are using. Now we need to apply the second coat. It is very important to apply it really thin. If you will apply it too thick, we're gonna be in trouble. After that, do not cure. So I still have this wet, uncured second layer of the gel polish. Then I take the tweezers and start to apply the hollow stripes that I prepared. It is better to start from the center. You can move them around to do a better placement, but make sure that the gel polish will not go on top of your foil. Continue application with doing stripes on the sides. It really depends on what look you want to get. You can cut them more narrow or wider, and also it's okay if you will have them different size, because for the sides it is better to use the thinner stripes, and for the center the thicker ones will look good. And it's also optional whether to leave gaps between them or to apply them closer. And also it's completely fine if some of the stripes will go outside of the nail. Now I am applying the last one right here on the side. Make sure there are no air bubbles between the stripes and the gel polish. Now this is how it looks like, and we need to cure it for 1 minute in LED lamp. After curing, I take the tweezers and carefully take off the clear layer of the stripes, and only the foil will remain on gel polish now. As some of the stripes are going outside the nail, it's pretty easy to take it. If you try to do this and you took it together with the foil, usually it means that some of the product went on top of the foil and basically encapsulated. Or if you see that the gel polish is still wet underneath, that means you need to cure more. Then I will take the soft file. I recommend to use 180-240 grit and carefully file the free edge. You can also file the sidewalls to remove the extra foil and to get a nice and even shape from all sides. Then we only need to remove the dust, and to seal the design I will use New Entity Top Coat. It has amazing gloss and also it works for the gel polishes. Cure for 1 minute in LED lamp, and after that the design is ready. This is how it looks like. You can play with the backgrounds, with the colors of the foil, and you will get a different look all the time. If you want to be super matchy, I recommend to do the ombre on a background as well. And these are another designs that I did. So I used pink on pink, green and gold on a golden background, and silver stripes with a silver background. Let me know in the comments if the foil is popular among your clients. If this is your first time watching my channel, consider subscribing as I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!